It's not going to be one of these competitive deals where we're going to win $1 million. Big deal. We're going to go out there and crash cars and have a good time, drink a few beers.
Can't see me through my tents. I'm riding real slow, and my paint wet, dripping, shining like my 24s. I don't got 24s, but I'm on those Vogues. That's those big white walls, round them 100 spokes. Old school like old English in that brown paper bag. I'm rolling in that same whip that my granddad had. Hello, haters, damn y'all mad. 30K on the caddy, now how backpack rap is that? I got that off-black Cadillac, midnight drive. Got that gas pedal lean back, taking my time. Off living sky, the city never looks so bright, bright,
Hey, you know what? I gotta go. We have an emergency.
All right, thanks, sir.
So,
Be safe.